Hey everyone, I hope you guys have a nice Christmas, had a nice breakfast. Well, I have a fantastic Christmas. So I decided to show my Christmas presents that I got this year, which I got a few of them. And I got a few movies and a few Legos and a couple books and treats. Let's get started. Okay. I got a couple more video games. And I got a lunchbox. Yes. So the first one, anyways, is Cars 2. I seen this movie in the movie theater. An excellent film. This is an excellent film. Speaking of Cars 2. And Cars 2 is a good movie. I love this one. I got the game Lego Harry Potter Years 5 through 7. I haven't played this one yet, so I'm going to have to play this someday. I got a Wii game. Which is Namco Museum Megamix. I haven't played this. I never heard of it, so I'm going to have to play this someday. And if I do, I'll make a review of it. I got a couple books. I got a lunchbox, which is Star Wars. There's the top, there's the bottom, there's the side, there's another side and a back cover. So I'm going to have to use this for lunch. Okay. Next up, we got another movie, Kung Fu Panda. I seen this movie a few years ago in the movie theater. And it's a good movie, which I already have it on Blu-ray and DVD. I decided to sign my old ones. Next up, I got Zathura. It's a pretty good movie. Next up, I got the Polar Express soundtrack. Well, I do have the Polar Express on Blu-ray. And I left it downstairs. And I also got Marshmallow Gun, which I opened it early. A few days ago. Next up, I got a new watch. Let me show you. Cool, huh? Okay. Next up is I got the few Legos set. It's Lego Pirates of the Caribbean, the Isla de Merda set. There's the top, bottom, side, another side, and the back over. I'm gonna have to build this someday. Okay, next up I got another Lego set. It's Indiana Jones, the part from Raiders of the Lost Ark. Next up, I got the biggest one ever, Lego set, and it's Lego Harry Potter, the Hogwarts Castle, which I do have the little one. Okay. Next up, I got a couple books. It's Star Wars: The Complete Saga. I hope you're a fan of Star Wars: The Complete Saga, as I am. Okay, next up is another book. Lego Star Wars The Visual Dictionary. As with the exclusive minifigure of Luke Skywalker. I'm going to read this someday. Next up is the treats. And it's Reese's Peanut Butter Cups miniatures candy cane. I got Twix. 4 cookie bars of Twix. Okay, next up is a couple of M&Ms. There's Ice Cubes gum. And the last one is Tic Tacs. Alright, thanks for watching my Christmas presents. Hope you see you soon. See you later. Bye.